Hadin katuk anisngi bakhalam ka Kynroh Purno Sangma Stadium Shathan Garo, Chief Engineer jaka State Sports Council of Meghalaya (BMCM), ulalit jurep yakani ka jaka hakar phula terek jileu ban pet ya ka Jinglong Jingman jongata ka Jingjulor dalaki jongki khman. Habakaran cigilar patai khubor ulong baka soskular baladap soi hapadang katnat Sports and Youth Affairs Sarkar Meghalaya barka Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited ka IT ka jingtei jongkani ka stadium hakakti jongka Hscl Shushu ulong ba kikam kijam na dong shadong pale rakan ka company ba lakarman ru bakan le ya kabadon kam. Kalong kabadon kam bantay no kloy ka Kynroh hakan ka jaka hanray 48 rai namar baka suny baneng kam ay lahat. Karay khadu kan long hi jong ka Hscl.
Let me start off with my designation and name. I'm BMCM. I'm the Chief Engineer of State Sports Council of Meghalaya. Okay. So the State Sports Council of Meghalaya actually usually does all the construction work for the sports department. But in this particular project, an MOU was signed between the government of Meghalaya, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, and Hscl, Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited, which is a Government of India PSU, to execute the work on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. So basically, SSCM is not executing this work. The whole execution of the work is being carried out by Hscl. So that is the thing. So the sports Department of Sports and Youth Affairs hands over the money to Hscl, and Hscl actually does all the engineering works and the payment of bills, and all that is being handled by Hscl. So my visit here is because we are also an engineering wing of the sports department. We had seen this mishap that has happened here. So we were sent here to assess the damage and to prevent any further damage, so that under all the mitigation measures that need to be carried out, so that this is stopped at this point in time. This whole damage is stopped at this point in time. So this is the main purpose of the damage, main purpose of the visit. Yes, we have as I told you earlier, the main executing agency is basically Hscl. So what we can do is just on an advisory role, we can advise Hscl, but they have their own technical team, they have their own technical designers who will finally take a call on that. But as per my what we have seen is the road that is leading here should be actually closed because the walls have actually collapsed. So to prevent any danger of collapsing on anyone walking on the road or traveling on the road, this should ideally be closed for the section till the time that it has been repaired. Considering that this is the monsoon, so a complete reconstruction of the wall, which is a requirement, cannot be done as of now. However, temporary measures like a stone masonry wall or a gabion wall or with sandbag walling and all to prevent further damage has been advised to Hscl, but however that's the call that Hscl has to take. Secondly, the high mast, we are planning to remove the lights. I had suggested that removing the lights of the high mast, so that the wind load and things like that are not, they do not have an effect on the structure of the pole. At the same time, yes, no doubt about that. But considering that the earth below has already been eroded, so I think there's some extra precaution that needs to be taken just for the sake of safety of the people around. This basically the Hscl has taken note of whatever we have inputs that we have given. They will have again go back to their own technical team and get it certified, and from the designers as well as from the people who have given the design for the high mast, the design for the retaining walls. So they will take a call. Once they have taken a call, they will execute the work, and in probably in another 2 or 3 weeks time, I most probably could come again and have a look at this what has been done.